Hello Aquarius, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. I hope you all are doing great. Okay Aquarius, I have your cards here for the month of November 2020, and before I begin this reading, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel and do share my videos also. Yeah, thank you so much for doing that. So Aquarius, yeah, I have the cards and the cards are pointing me for one thing. Yes, you see you need to be mm, little careful this month. I tell you how. Okay, so this month I am seeing that the something, you are struggling with the finances. You are struggling with the in gaining the financial stability. Probably you are not able to manage your expenses properly. So this is maybe the case, where you might get excited, or where you might get excited of spending, overspending. So you might splurge in overspending this month. This is somewhat is warning you here. Okay, so you need to be really careful. Probably this is kind of a tough month for you, sorry Aquarius, a kind of a tough month in the sense where I'm seeing, you know um, financial constraints are something very important that I am seeing here. So be careful with that. Before you spend even a penny, you should analyze it whether it is worthy enough to spend or not. Yeah, okay. And then yes, so but there are possibilities that you may have to spend on emergencies also. So I am seeing that with this card, you being in seven of wands position, there are possibilities that instant expenditure might happen this month. So you should be cautious about it and prepared for it also. And first thing, how much it is important, how much significant it is to spend your savings. So how far you should be doing that. So analyze all these things before you spend, before you take out a penny from your pocket. Okay, so very important, be careful with this because you have five of pentacles also this month in the near future. So if you are not going to play wise enough with your money, there are possibilities that you may land with this five of pentacles position which says financial constraints. Okay, and if you are going to play wise, if you are going to able to make a proper judgment of you are going to make a proper yeah, analyze it properly and make a fruitful investment or spending, then yes, there is, then you may, it becomes easier for you to overcome this month, this time also. And yeah, so there are financially, yes, so there are changes happening here with the storm warning card in your energy, as your energy card. So this is warning you, actually this is cautioning you that there is a storm outside, there is a storm which is going to come your life. It's not exactly, you see, a storm is something not like you are going to end up in some very big financial troubles or very big trouble of emotional trouble like that. So it is not that, it's exactly saying it can be your inner conflict also. It can be things that you have not learned from the mistakes in the past. Now again these things are telling you, now this the life is telling you that you have to learn something. So this is more of a learning time for you, dear Aquarius, more of a learning time with a tower in the uh, yeah, a tower here on the list. It says it just warns you that you should be cautious and you should be prepared to learn many things because there may be changes happening for your good. So whatever this storm is coming is for your good here. It wants you to learn something. Yeah, so you should be prepared with that. You should be, yes, I want to learn how to manage my expenses. I want to learn how to gain that financial stability. I want to learn how to deal with the situations. And more important, I want to learn how to deal with my emotions also. Yes, so with the emotions as well, I'm seeing that, yeah, you see, you are probably, I think, you may have to travel this month, and this is where the spending might happen. Yeah, so for few Aquarius, I'm seeing that with the world position in the environment position, in the environment position now, placed in your environment position, I'm getting vibes that you may have to travel instantly, and which may be the reason for this expenditure, for overspending, splurging, and yeah, and this involving yourself with this extravagant expenses. So just be careful about it and learn how to do this. I mean, how not to get involved in overspending. So as early as you learn this thing, not just spending but dealing with the things whatever the life is getting you this month. So how early you are going to learn this thing, so smoothly the storm will pass away. Yeah, so nothing to worry about, because you just have to take your stand and be ready to learn the things here. As you see, strength is there in the long term outcome, which tells me that yes, you will be able to overcome this situation, overcome these challenges very easily. Not very easily, but wisely. Yeah, you will be able to overcome your challenges, because Aquarius are wise people. Huh? So you will be able to overcome these challenges wisely and able to come out of it, no, in a very powerful way, in a very come out of it strongly. So yes, Aquarius, so just be a little cautious about it. Okay, with this, I wind up my reading for this month, for the month of November 2020. I wish you good luck, and I also wish you a happy and prosperous Diwali, dear Aquarius. Okay, till I see you again in the next month. Until then, I wish you good luck. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.